So let's just talk about routes in Express. So a router is basically used to manage different routes in the Express application. So it allows to define different URL routes and how this should be handled. So it helps us organize our code, especially when the application grows very large. So here we just have one simple route for the home page. So it just simply sends the string home page. Now suppose we have so many different routes, like we have user routes, we have products routes. So in that case we cannot just use this approach. So we need something much more organized and that can handle large applications. So let's see how we can use the router to solve that problem. So first of all, let's create one folder which will contain all of our routers. Now inside the routers we have the file route.js. So here first of all we have to import the express, and then we're gonna call express.Router, and this will return the router. Now we can use the router to create different route. Like an example, we can call router.get, and here we can define different routes. Like an example, we can define the home route, and we're gonna have the callback method. We're just basically going to send home page. Similarly, we can have the about page, and we're gonna send about page. So here we have defined two routes. Now we have to export that. So module.exports, and we're gonna export the router. Now to use that inside the index.js, we have to import that. So let's just import routes. So require, so we have to go inside the routers folder, and inside that we have the route.js file. Now here instead of this app.get we have to use app.use. So instead of this callback method, we're simply gonna use the routes that we have imported. So for the root route, it will redirect to these routes, and which will eventually lead to this file. And here for home we're gonna get home page, and for /about we're gonna get the string about page. So let's just open this Thunder client, and we're gonna create one new request. So we have to go to localhost 3000, and we're gonna go to this root route. So let's just click on send. So we're getting this home page. So this root route will be redirected to these routes, and here we're gonna execute this root route. So if we go to /about, so you can see we're getting about page. So similarly inside this routers folder we can define other routes. So we can define user route. So here also we have to import this express and router, and also we have to export that. Now inside that we can define different routes. So we can define the login route, and we're just gonna simply send login page. And we're gonna define the register route, and this will simply send register page. Now to use the user route we have to import that here. So const user route, so we have to import ./routers/user route. Now here we have to use app.use. So now for every user route we're gonna redirect to this user router. So now if we go to /user/login, so now if we go to /user/login, so we're gonna get the login page. So we are going to this /user, so this will redirect to this user router, and then we're just going inside this /login. Similarly also we can go to /user/register, and we're gonna get the register page. So we are first of all we are going to /user, so this will redirect to this user route, and here we're just accessing this /register. So this way we can define so many different routes in Express, and this will keep our code modular and organized, and we can separate different routes in different files. So this way we'll have one clean structure, and this will make our application more scalable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.